I took this, 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 and this. Finally, I trigger martingale. I end up taking 9 trade even though I wanted it to be 10. I only have intentions of winning 2 trades today, but I only won the first one. I lose the second and third trade. I win the fourth one and the fifth one. I lose the sixth one and the seventh one. I won the eighth trade and the ninth trade. It was on the eighth trade my third martingale won. Remember I said the maximum lose I can only have in a row is 2. For the past 3 weeks, this is my first time using martingale. It helps me to recover my loss and make few cents. I did this to prove what I'm saying, that the maximum loss I have in a row is just 2. I also do this to enhance and upgrade my strategy and money management. I'm not feeling good today. I'm sneezy and I have runny nose. The purpose of this video is to motivate and inspire beginner traders that only have few dollars to trade. I'm doing this to build a community. Learn from my video. Once I'm done with this week, it is going to be my 1 month trading with a $10 account which I have never blew. Do you know how many traders have blown their account? Do you know how many people have stopped trading? Do you know how many people that believe trading is a scam within that weeks? By next week, I might stop showing my chart or I should continue. And the reason why I might stop is due to some security reasons. For now, I have not concluded what I'm going to be doing, either showing the chart or not. I want my community to see how to manage a $10 account. I always say this: when you are trading with one figure, is different to trading with two figure. It's different trading with 3 figures. It's different trading with 4 figures. I only focus on trading with 2 figures because I'm sure that is what a lot of people can afford right now, mostly as a beginner. I focus on these 2 digits and I'm making sure I'm milking all the information, all the feelings, all the trading psychology, everything that is good that I can get from it. I make sure I'm milking everything. Also, I'm sharing it. Don't forget, I'm showing the reality of trading. Let us say my own reality of trading with a $10 account, and let's just say as a beginner. I might know some people might feel like as a beginner, I don't consider myself to be a beginner, but I'm trying to show what it feels like to be a beginner because I've been training for like last, it's not up to a year, but it's more than 4 5 months. I've been trading on demo. Also, I don't have any mentor. The highest profit I've made with this $10 account is making 30% of this $10 account. So that is $3. If you are new here, feel free to check out my previous video. I share my experience day by day trading with this $10 account. Trust me, you are going to benefit a lot. Moral of the day: appreciate your small growth. Having small profit is better than blowing your account. Have tight risk management on your $10 account. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. Learn from your mistake. A $10 account can't make you a million in a few weeks or in a few months as a beginner. Embrace the journey. Fall in love with the process. This is going to be the most fun process. Trading with a $10 account is way better than trading with a demo account that has 10K. While trading with a $10 account, you are learning two things, even more than two. But the most important thing is that you are learning how to train your psychology, your greed, your FOMO, let's just say your trading psychology and your strategy at the same time. But on demo account, you are only trading technicals and your strategy. You are not trading with your real emotion. When you are trading with demo and live, they have a huge difference. They are going to make a huge impact in you. But start trading on demo account first. You might spend 1 or 2 months on demo account before switching to live account, and start small. Small. Manage your small fund until you get a huge fund. Treat your $10 account as if you are trading a 10K account. Imagine I'm making 3% on 10K account. Do you know what I'm making? Is that not 3K? As a beginner, imagine 3K every week. That is on a $10 account, but Here I'm telling you guys and I'm showing you guys the reality of trading. If you are new to this channel, please and please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Till tomorrow,